Being the President of ADSS Cymru has been an honour. It's been an honour to represent social care in Wales on behalf of all ADSS members, and that's rewarding on both a personal and a professional level. To be engaged on a national, regional and local level in the issues that affect social care now and to plan for the future of social care has made me feel that we are making a difference. At times, it may not feel like that, but ultimately we move forward. We learn, we innovate, we create to make a system better. Playing a part in that, as I say, is an honour, and I hope I've demonstrated my commitment in that role. The support I've received in the role cannot go without comment. I'm very grateful for all the professional and resolute support from the ADSS business unit. Without that, the role would be impossible to function effectively. I would like to thank past presidents, vice presidents, the heads of children, the heads of adult services, and director colleagues for their support in the role and to their commitment to the priorities of ADSS Cymru and our numerous engagements on policy development and implementation in Wales. I'd also like to thank my own team at Pembrokeshire County Council for their support during my time as president. The commitment to the role outside of your daily responsibilities inevitably means colleagues assist with time demands and other matters. So thank you, my team in Pembrokeshire. I've also enjoyed the time as president working with many and varied key stakeholders across Wales in, I think, a very constructive and informative way. I think it's important to set out the key achievements and the key challenges that you face as the president of ADSS Cymru. During my time in the role, ADSS has set its key priorities. We've set those so we have a sound strategic footing over the coming few years. I was very pleased that as a team, we set the priorities working across AWASH and the AHOCS directors and the business unit, and we've established that key strategic positioning. I think that is amongst those major achievements in the role. It was also pleasing to be involved with member seminars and conferences, utilising virtual approaches, and more recently, our first face-to-face conference for a few years. What's pleasing is the showcasing of good practice models, ensuring membership are cited on key policy approaches, and ensuring that members have key opportunities to network and learn from each other. The operating environment for social care is challenging, and we need support, reassurance, and connection with colleagues to ensure personal and professional well-being. In terms of challenges, it's been important for me in this role in a post-COVID period to steer the organisation to represent the membership in that different space, the new normal, so to speak. The challenge has been to represent when organisations for so long have been in a reactive space. So in essence, the challenge has been, for me, about repositioning and re-engaging in development and innovation. Now for some advice to the future president of ADSS Cymru. It's pleasing for me to see Vice President Alwyn Jones from Wrexham moving through to the president role, and I wish him the very best in that role. I know Alwyn will continue to represent ADSS Cymru with his undoubted professional skill and his knowledge of social care. My advice for the president would sit in the very practical space. The demands on your time are numerous, and you cannot do it all. I would reach out to the membership for their support and commitment to the organisation and to yourself, and represent ADSS as applicable. Planning time, something I know we do every day, becomes ever more important with this additional role. My advice to the new president would be to be absolutely meticulous in time planning. There are numerous skills and experience across the membership. My advice would be to maximise that collective skill base for your support, but also for the voice of social care in Wales. I would also advise the future president to enjoy the role. It brings challenge, but it also brings reward. So savour the time and the impact you and the organisation will continue to make across social care in Wales. I would like to see ADSS Cymru build on its priorities, achieve actions from these priorities and lead change for social care in Wales. As an organisation, we have seen us pick up national development work, and this can only be to the benefit of social care in Wales and demonstrates the trust and the expertise that is placed upon us. I think this area of ADSS work can develop even further. I'd like to see ADSS Cymru shape and influence the future of social care in Wales. Its members are experts best placed to do this, with the good of social care and our citizens at heart. ADSS will, of course, be as good as its membership, and the contribution of that membership is absolutely crucial. I'd like to see future champions coming through the organisation and demonstrating how we all can develop a modern, proactive, efficient and effective social care system in Wales. A system that citizens understand, they can navigate easily and be proud of as an asset for us all when we all need care and support. Diolch yn fawr iawn.